Hey guys, Thunder E here, and I'm out here in Boston to check out the new Ring Doorbell 2 and the Ring Spotlight Cam. Now this video is brought to you by Home Depot, where you can pick up products like this there. So what makes the Ring Doorbell 2 and the Spotlight Cam interesting? Now the whole idea I had for this video is to go ahead and upgrade an older apartment with, of course, an IoT device that is quick, easy, and accessible. So that's the first thing I'll tell you. With both the Doorbell 2 and the Spotlight Cam, it is easy to set up and install. The Doorbell 2 is a wireless doorbell. Connecting it through the Ring app is pretty fast and simple. And all you have to do is place it where you want to. It's a water-resistant doorbell, so you can place it in your front door, outside, and it's good. You've got a 1080p camera. You can also do a live viewing of the camera. It's got night mode in there as well, and it's got motion detection, which is nice. So it means somebody comes up and rings that doorbell, you can clearly see who it is, and you can also communicate two ways with them. That is pretty cool. Now the battery is rechargeable. You can pop it out and recharge. And it recharges via micro USB. So when we're talking about this Spotlight Cam, the Spotlight Cam is, we have the wireless version. It's a wired and it's a wireless version. What I like about the Spotlight Cam is it's got a ton of features built into it. It's got night vision, it's got lights built into it as well. It's got a two-way talk system, which means it has a mic and a speaker as well. You do also have infrared built into this thing, and it's got a nice viewing angle, so it covers a large range, and it makes sense. So right now I'm on a porch here on the second floor, and if you think about it, you know, this is really nice, but somebody can easily climb up here, and this gives you the ability to see who's coming into your home or your environment. And again, the setup process for this was really short. All you had to do was screw the mount into the wall and basically just attaching and clipping it in there, and that's it. It was simple, it was easy, and that's what I've really enjoyed about the Ring process here. I think a lot of users will like that ability built into it, and it makes a whole lot of sense. So the Ring app brings some really interesting functionalities in here. So you've got your different devices, the front door, doorbell, and of course the Spotlight Cam. We've got neighbors, and you can set up. Now you see all the activities here. So you can see all the activities that happen with motions, missed doorbell rings, all that fun stuff. And you can go to any of those activities in there. So you can click on motion, and that will show you who is at your front door or by your camera at that point in time. So in that case, I pressed it and it showcased what the Spotlight Cam was showing. Now you can also see rings, and you can go to rings specifically, and that will give you doorbell rings, you give you motions. You can also go into live views and see live view recordings at specific times. Now, if you go into each of your devices, say for instance, front, which is of course my Spotlight Cam, I can go into live view, I can see my battery percentage, I can turn on and off motion alerts, I can see device health, I can link chimes, I have all the settings. I also have the Ring partners as well. So I have that for both the Spotlight Cam, and that ability is also there for the front doorbell, the Ring Doorbell 2. Now, what's really cool is neighbors. Neighbors is very interesting. Ring has this community where you can jump in there, and clearly you can see what's going on. So right now I do have people posting what they're seeing around their neighborhood with either the front doorbell or the Spotlight Cam. You can see disgusting, I hope she never visits your home. Somebody did something crazy. This one says crackhead. Yeah, that's there too. But it shows you what's around the neighborhood. But the other interesting thing is the maps. Maps basically allows you to see what people are posting, whether it's through Ring owners as well as also, I believe, through the police, sharing information on crime activities within the area. So this is a very broad general area I'm showing you here, but you can clearly see what it actually brings. So it gives you some peace of mind. At least you know what's going on around your neighborhood. So Ring also has the Ring Protect. Now it's two online plans that give you some added features to your Ring devices. So with the basic plan, there's video recording up to 60 days. You have, of course, video review, and also have video sharing with family, friends, and local law enforcement. That starts at $3 a month or $30 per year. And then the Plus plan has a limited recording storage, exclusive discounts, and extended warranty. And that's $10 per month or $100 per year. Now, I think overall, the Ring Doorbell 2 and the Ring Spotlight camera really bring a lot of features to the table, and it's also really simple and easy to use. That's one of the things I liked about it the most, is the fact that you can set it up in about 5 minutes, both the Spotlight cam and the Doorbell 2, and anyone can use it. Plus, it's got that extra features with the neighbors and the protection plan. So there you have it, guys. It's pretty easy and simple to set up the Ring Doorbell 2 and the Ring Spotlight cam. Now, if you want to pick up any of these products, definitely check them out at Home Depot. Just go to a store, see all they have there. You can pick up the Ring Doorbell 2 and the Spotlight cam, or you can just go to Home Depot online to order it. But anyway, guys, I'm going to chill, enjoy the weather, and relax. Otherwise, don't forget to like and share this video, favorite this video, subscribe to the channel, and always enjoy your entertainment.